Recently, I had the chance to tour the main public health facilities here in Harare. It was disheartening that the situation was allowed to deteriorate. More is expected from all stakeholders. Blame shifting will not get us anywhere. We must learn from our shortcomings and work hand in hand as the public sector, private sector, and as individuals to build our country together. Government is now comprehensively addressing health delivery systems and other concerns related to the delivery of quality social services.